Hi, I'm Alaina Bilsky, K-12 Business Development at AGI Repair. Over the years, we've seen the burden of device repairs on schools nationwide. Whether a repair warranty company has overpromised and underdelivered, or a school's budget has been crippled by the overwhelming cost of device repairs, we understand. And we can help. AGiProtect simplifies device repairs with complete accidental damage protection, including industry-leading durable cases for your district's K-12 Apple or Chromebook devices. With a one-time fixed cost, your school will never have to pay additional fees or fulfill a deductible. Plus, repairs are unlimited, which means your school will experience instant claim approval for every repair covered under your AGiProtect plan. No exceptions. Not only that, your school will have complete peace of mind knowing that all AGiProtect plans are fully insured and underwritten. This means your plan is protected from any unforeseen circumstances. There is no middleman or third parties. All repairs are performed by AGI Repair at one of our 4 state-of-the-art facilities. You could think of AGiProtect as the only headache-free ADP plan on the market. That's why we're protecting over 500,000 K-12 devices across the nation. Learn more about AGiProtect at agirepair.com/AGiProtect.